Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh has been invited to the India Today's State of the States Conclave and Awards 2020 program. During the conclave, Manipur will be presented with the Most Improved Small State Overall and Law and Order Award. The annual event is an attempt to find out which of India's states offers its citizens the best opportunities. Kangleipak Students Association KSA celebrated its 15th Foundation 2020 today at Manipur College, Singzamai. Commissioner of Manipur Higher and Technical Education M. Hare Krishna, KSA President Ningthaujam Chetan and National and International Awardee H. Ibotombi Khuman were among who attended the celebration. Kangleipak Students Association KSA District Council Jiribam also celebrated association's 15th Foundation Day at the KSA office in Jiribam district. A combined team of Narcotic Cell and Imphal East Police Commando Unit, backed by members of Yada Khergaon, arrested 2 drug dealers along with 16 grams of heroin powder last afternoon. The arrested were identified as Kayan Paibam Ivan Maite, aged 28 years of Top Awang Lekai, and Lenin Kaisam, aged 27 years of Yai School Police Land in Imphal West, a police report said. Despite heavy security deployment, groups of farmers from Punjab managed to reach near 2 Delhi borders this morning after breaking police barricades in Haryana as part of their protest march against the centre's farm laws. As per a media report, the farmers are demanding the repeal of the new agri-reform laws, which they claim will lead to the dismantling of the minimum support price MSP system. All Inpui Students Union, Liangmai Naga, Katimai, Ruangdi, Rongmai Naga Students Organization Manipur and Jeme Students Organization Manipur call an indefinite ban on National Highway 37, besides banning national projects beginning midnight of November 29 to register a protest against the government's failure to meet their demands. 5 patients were killed and 6 others injured as a fire broke out in the ICU of a COVID-19 hospital in Rajkot in Gujarat early this morning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his deep condolence at the demise of the patients and wished quick recovery of the injured. Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani also expressed grief over the incident and announced Rs 4 lakh ex gratia to next of kin of those who died in the incident. The total number of active coronavirus cases in India crossed the 4.5 lakh mark for the first time after 9 days yesterday, when 43,082 new COVID-19 infections were recorded, government data shows. With this, India's total COVID cases have risen to 93,09,787. Up to 492 people also died of the highly infectious disease, taking the overall COVID-related death count to 1,35,750.